That's great. And you would have grown and evolved with VR over the years because it has changed quite quickly with the
Mhm.
capabilities and what can be done now. What about, so what challenges were you trying to solve when you first started using our content creation kit?
What I mostly do now at the University of Miami is we have a lab where we hire student software engineers, student designers, student project managers to kind of come and work on projects in the immersive space that benefit faculty and their research and teaching. So basically, when I heard about what you all offered with the CCK, I was very excited. I think the main draw to me was just out of the box of us having the ability to have virtual humans that you could communicate with, just kind of an easy way to build out sequences and things like that. Because obviously, in the past, what we had to do when we went into virtual human, we'd have to kind of build out from scratch, which obviously is not a very easy process. I mean, even when you get a virtual human done, you're only a very tiny part of, you're like, okay, we have the groundwork. Now we can actually do what we want to do. So there's that really long, time sink at the beginning that isn't really even doing what you want to do yet. So that was one of the challenges we were facing. So coming across you all and seeing that you guys offered a lot of these things out of the box was really attractive to us.